So today I will show you how to split or divide a raster into smaller tiles or section. So based on an input polygon. So let's assume that you have a polygon that contains several plots of land or parcels of land, and you want to divide a raster layer or an image based on the boundary of each plot or each parcel of land. So another example where this could be useful is, let's say you want to train a deep learning model and you need to divide your image into smaller tiles. So you could use this process to do it in a very fast way. There's a plugin in QGIS to do this. The name of the plugin is Easy Raster Splitter, and it's actually easy. So the first thing you do is that if you don't have the plugin installed in your QGIS, you go to plugins, manage and install plugins. So you come here, let me clear. So you search for Easy Raster Splitter. So because I've already installed the plugin, so I don't need to reinstall it again. So but in your case, if you have not installed it, so you just have to click on install plugin here. So once you install the plugin, you see an icon somewhere in your toolbar. So mine is here. So you have to select your input raster. So here I have just one raster layer in my table of contents in my layer panel. So it's already selected here, and the polygon I want to use is also selected here. So you have two options of splitting, maybe by feature or by full polygon. So I want to split by feature. So and I want to use unique attributes of each of these polygon, each of these segments. So I will check the attributes, open attribute table. So this poly ID column is a good unique ID for each of these polygons. So you can see, so close this select. So back to my raster splitter. So I want to use poly ID column. Then I will select the output folder in which the split images or raster layer will be saved into. So I have a folder named polygon raster splitter on my drive. So I'll select the folder. Then I want to add the results, the QGIS layer panel. Then I will click on run. So you can see the output have been added to the layer panel. So then you can just close this. So I will uncheck the original raster layer. So these are the split raster layer. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.